Howdy partners, today I'm going to be describing and showing you how you can change a couple of really neat features with your Galaxy or Samsung device. The app I'm going to be using is going to be called GoodLock 2018. You can find it in the Galaxy Apps store. It is free, and what you're going to do is you're going to open that app. You're going to have a couple options here. It's not a whole lot. If you want to download some extra apps, there's a couple extra things you can do, as you can see at the bottom. I haven't looked into those yet, but I plan on doing it here soon. And there's a couple of these I haven't tried yet. The clock face I haven't tried, the routines I haven't tried, or the multi-star, because I don't really use multi-window too much. But the first thing I'm going to show you is the lock star. Of course, I don't have this enabled, but this is where you can change your lock screen. You can add a couple different features, as you can change the lock or the clock on it to a different style clock. You can also you can change what's visible and what displays on your lock screen as it is, as well as change the background for your lock screen. I don't ever really mess with that because I have my own settings, so I don't really use it, but that's totally up to you. The next one is the quick start, which is how I have this customized color scheme for my quick menu. As I said, you can change the color of your quick menu. You can also change what shows up on your notification bar. See here. I'm not sure what this does. I haven't really looked into this. It just shows the multi-window button. Okay, for when you do multi-window and you want to do things one time. You also have that button on there now. You can add that button or take that button off. Let's go back to our app. Here we can change our task changer, which is how I have this here. I changed it to kind of like playing cards. It looks really neat. I like the scheme of it. It gets a little bit annoying at times, but I do like it. It looks cool. There's a couple of different effects you can have. You have a mini mode as well, and you can blur the background effect, which I have applied. I don't know why I actually can't disable that. You can also center the currently running app whenever you open it. Let's see here. I haven't used these. I just haven't decided to use them yet. Here's another cool feature that I like. There's a couple different things you can do with this as well. As you can see down here, I have the customized navigation bar, which is the one that is shown right here. Basically, I just add a power button to it. There's a bunch of different things you can do. Let me see here. You can also align your buttons, say if you're left or right-handed. If you want to change that, you can change the transparency of your buttons. You can add buttons like close keyboard with a different icon, as well as a multi-window button. Or the recent button. You can change like the icons for them. You can also change the color, which for some reason I haven't done. I don't think I have. There's a lot of things I haven't messed with though. These are just a couple cool options for you to be able to change some of the settings on your phone to make your phone more stylized to you. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe, and I'd definitely greatly appreciate it. I'm going to put some more videos out on just simple things. If you're interested, like something you like, subscribe and hit the notification bell too, that way you'll know when I have a video out. Thanks guys, have a great day.